Hi, I am Ujjwal Rana. Welcome to Ramakrishna Mission Vidyapit. Here in this video, I will show how to handle RKMB Deoghar My Perfect Eyes online platform from the student site. You can access My Perfect Eyes online platform either using desktop mode or using mobile app mode. Here, I will specially discuss on desktop mode. First, you have to check internet connectivity. It should be in 4G speed and go to any browser, but I suggest Google Chrome. So go to Google Chrome and search RKMB Deoghar My Perfect Eyes. So click on this RKMB Deoghar My Perfect Eyes or search RKMB Deoghar My Perfect Eyes. So this is the welcome page of RKMB Deoghar My Perfect Eyes, and the right side at the top you will see the login. So here you have to click. So you have to provide email ID and password, and email ID that should be registered by Vidyapit to My Perfect Eyes platform. Okay, and password also will already you have informed. The Maharaj has sent all the email ID and password each and every students. So I have to just give the email ID rkmbd.student@gmail.com and the password that is @ So you can check your password by clicking at the I button. If you forget your password or your password is wrong, then you have to click forget password and go step by step to recover your password. Now login. So this is the student window first appear in your screen, and RKMB student, that is obviously this is the mock student specially, and you will see the 4 menu in the menu bar, that is dashboard, test, classroom and e-learning. I will discuss step by step dashboard, test, classroom, e-learning, but before that I will discuss the right hand side portion, that is email. This section, that is email, notification bell, chat and logout. In the email, you will get email from the automatic mail, that is from RKMB Deoghar Enter Systems, that is auto generated mail. Here in the notification bell, you will get notification for new test, for new e-learning material that is published by your teachers, and the new problem that is appeared in your discussion board. And the chat, you will chat or see of your classmates of that particular class. And the right hand side, that is logout. If you want to log out from your system, then you have to click in the logout button. Okay, so in the dashboard, so if I click my profile, so in your profile you can set your date of birth, city, etc. And the most important, that is you can change your password. Here you have to give the old password, then you have to give the new password and confirm password, and obviously you have to click on update. Okay, and here in this window there is no back button. Go to the previous window. So you have to, each and every time you have to click in this 4 menu, any of menu. So if I go to the dashboard again, dashboard, I have already discussed the my profile. In the my profile you can update your password, I mean change your password. In this section you can share your unsolved problem. You can share your unsolved problem to the teacher and as well as your classmates. And if you share your unsolved problem, that will be appeared in the discussion board, I mean discussion board, teacher side as well as the class sides, class profile. Suppose if I want to share a particular problem, unsolved problem, to my teachers or to the particular class discussion board. So you have to go to the photo. Suppose problem 1, photo will be appear in this area, and you have to write the question. What will be the question? The question is, find the value of x. Find the value of x. Okay. After that you have to tag your class and obviously class 6, and then post. So this will be appear in the discussion board of teachers as well as the live class profile ID. Okay. In the left side below the profile, here you will see that is information technology part 1, information technology part 1, information technology part 2. That means you already have attempted this test and you can see your performance. Suppose if I click this information technology part 1, you will see that the information technology part 1 that is published by your teacher Ujjwal Rana, and you have attempt, that is 3 correct, 8 missed, 0 incorrect, and the rest of the performance will be shown there. Okay. So basically the attempt test performance will be shown here. Now again go to the dashboard. In the right hand side here you will see that your total performance, that is how many tests you have attempted, your performance analysis will be shown. Okay. In the middle section below part you will see your dashboard, I mean the discussion board and the comment, that is comment by your classmates, or obviously you can see the chat that is by your classmates, message from your classmates you will see here. Okay. So basically in dashboard you can see your you can change your password, you can see your particular test performance, you can see your overall analysis and performance. Okay. Now go to the test menu. In test menu, basically here the test, there are so many tests are there that is published by your teachers. Okay. And maybe the test is practice for practice, for protected or for learning mode, but these are available, means you can give your test. Okay. So if I want to show the one test, that is suppose information technology, where is the next information technology part 1, part 2. Network is little bit slow, but okay. So here you can take test, you have to click on take test, and I am ready to start. So this is basically a descriptive type question, and you have to give answer Okay, and obviously the answer is limited in 100 words, so you have to wait. So here I have to I click the finish button. Okay, and yes, and basically these are the feedback, and just comment good, very good, and submit. And you can see the test that is published by teacher. But I mean you can change this test by name, date, publisher, rating, popularity level. So by default date, and obviously by date it is 100% perfect for you, because by date arranged by date is the perfect. And you can see by name and publisher and rating, popularity, and you can see also the particular subject, suppose information. So information, if we click information, so that you see information technology part 1, information technology part 2. So by searching the topic or by searching the subject, you can see also the test. Okay, and here in the challenge me, basically suppose click here subject plus 6 computer and miscellaneous start. So here sufficient number of questions are not available to generate an adaptive test. So obviously the question that is published by teacher are not sufficient, and the adaptive test that is for difficult level, moderate level, and easy level, this type of question for adaptive level is not uploaded by your teachers. That's why this is unavailable, not available. Okay, so this is the test. So basically in the test you can give the test that is published by your teachers. Okay, and now I will go classroom, but before classroom I will discuss the e-learning. Okay, so go to e-learning. So by clicking e-learning, you will see the video material, e-learning material, and the document e-learning material that is uploaded by your teachers. Okay, and you can see the materials, and the first one, that is our Kaustubh Bhattacharya has uploaded cell and cell organelle, something is there. And the rest of the second one, that is Samal Kumar Nandi, light and basic. Okay, so these are the basically video material and document material. You for the video material you can watch, and for the document material you can read. Okay, and obviously the learning material, obviously you can arrange by grade, subject, topic, date, and title. Okay, and here you can also search for the particular e-learning material. Okay, now the most important thing for live class, you have to click in the classroom. So here we'll see the so many classroom, but for you suppose a particular class will be shown, but I am RKMB student, mock student, I can access all the student, all the class. Okay, and here you will see the green signal, rectangular green signal after the class 6 it's shown. It means that this class is going live. I mean this is the live class and you have to join this class. So first you have to click, don't worry about the join classroom. Okay, no need to join classroom. Okay, for you just avoid join classroom. You have, if you see the green signal of your class, go to this, I mean click on this. So here you will see the registered students, I mean you will see the classmate of your class, and here 82 registered, 6 online, and here you can chat with your teacher, here you can chat with your, here you can chat your classmates also, and here you can search your particular friend also. But the most important thing that that is join session. The join session will be available if the class is live. Okay, and obviously the green signal means the class is going live and you have to join session. Okay, but before that I want to discuss the lead board. Here in the lead board you will see the topmost students of your class, I mean overall performance, and here you will see the your classmate who is online or offline and the registered students. Okay, so I want to join, so go to the join session. A new window will be opened. Okay, here you have to here two options is there, microphone and listen only. Microphone is for both way communication. I mean if you you can listen your teacher as well as you want to, if you speak, then obviously this option is perfect. But if you want to listen from your teacher voice, then click on listen only. But I will suggest that click on the microphone. There are so many floating window will be there for accessing your camera, for accessing your microphone, so you must be allow them. Okay, otherwise maybe something for some fault will be there. Now this is private ecotes, speak a few words, do you hear? Obviously I can hear, so click on yes. Okay, this is the default screen of the students. Okay, and in this teacher for this actually Rahul Mandal sir is there for this demo session. Okay, so as a student view I will see Rahul sir in my desktop. Okay, and if I can, because Rahul Mandal sir if unlock me, then I can share my web camera also. Okay, so I request Rahul sir to unlock me and then I can share my webcam. So share webcam, if Rahul Mandal sir lock me, then this option will not be work properly, I mean not work. Okay, so share webcam means sir has allowed me, I mean unlocked me, so share my web camera. It will take 2 minutes. Prosenjit sir is there for recording this session, that's why Prosenjit sir is there. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so start sharing. So Prosenjit sir as a student and Rahul Mandal sir as a teacher, and so this is the face-to-face communication. So if the teacher want to lock the students, then the students cannot share his webcam. So I request Rahul sir to lock me. Then obviously this portion will not be available. Okay, so and I request Rahul sir also to close your webcam. Okay, this is the default screen, default presentation. Rahul sir, do not end meeting. I will discuss. This is the default screen. This is the default screen. This is basically a presentation. If teacher want to take a class by presenting some PPT, then the teacher has to upload this presentation, and this is the by default presentation. You can minimize also by clicking here. Okay, and here you will see the record button. Here you will see the record button. Record button, it's white means the teacher is not recording the live class. If it is red, then 100% teacher is recording the live class. If the teacher is recording the live class, then teacher can also provide the class for absentees. I mean if some situation is there, like there is no internet connection or something low network speed, then poor network speed, then obviously the record will be provided for these students. Here you can chat, public chat, you can chat publicly, I mean the public chat, and for particular, and here you can also chat private, I mean private chat you can do also. Okay. Now if the teacher has terminated, suppose terminate the session, then obviously floating window will be there, that is the teacher has closed the session or teacher has finished the session or session is over. Then obviously you should okay there, and after that you have to click here and log out. Okay, so you have to click log out, then okay, then again you have to log out. Here you have to log out. Okay. If you face any problem, please mail Vidyapeeth website, school website facing particular problem. Okay, then I will see the problem. Okay, so thank you very much.